In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a calendar to Google Sheets. Whether you're managing schedules, tracking deadlines, or just want a quick way to pick dates without typing them manually, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Google Sheets and navigate to the spreadsheet where you want the calendar to appear. Once you're there, select the cells where you'd like to insert the calendar. Make sure you choose the correct range because this is where your date picker will show up. Follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, right-click on the selected cells and scroll down to find the Data Validation option. Click on it and a new menu will appear. Under the Criteria section, select Date. This tells Google Sheets that only dates should be entered in these cells. Once you've set that, click Save to apply the changes. You'll notice that nothing changes immediately, but that's expected. The magic happens when you start using the cell. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your cells are empty before applying data validation, double-check that you've selected the right range, and ensure you're connected to the internet so Sheets can save your changes automatically. Doing this beforehand will save you time and prevent any unexpected errors. Once you've completed these steps, double-click on any of the cells you applied the data validation to. You'll see a small calendar icon appear, and when you click it, a full calendar pops up. Now you can select any date easily without having to type it manually. After that, you should be able to manage your schedules or deadlines smoothly and efficiently. It's also a good idea to test a few cells after setting it up to make sure everything is working as expected. Taking this extra step ensures your calendar feature runs perfectly and keeps your data accurate. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to add a calendar to Google Sheets easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with anyone who might benefit. Why not make someone's day easier?